So hello everyone, today's video is going to be a very short video and today is something like claiming rewards from Geeks for Geeks. So today we will see how to claim t-shirts, bags from Geeks for free. So they have an event called problem of the day and you will be having a coding question every day. You will have to solve it within 24 hours. Then if you are successfully solving one coding question, so you will get 1 point. So based on that, after collecting some points, you will be able to redeem t-shirts, bags and everything. So I will show you how to do that. So this is the page. So this is the page of Geeks4Geeks problem of the day. So basically I started today. So today is 10th of January. You will be seeing the video on tomorrow, that is going to be like 11th of January. So I solved this question. So after solving this question, I got 1 gig bits and let's see what I can redeem after getting how much points and what I can get. Okay. We will just see the rewards and prices here. We will click on view and here we have like GFG time machine. Then we have GFG course coupon for 500, 1000, 1500 and 3000. Then here you can see if you get 800 points and 1600 points, you'll get one t-shirt and one bag. So for 800 points, you will get t-shirt and for 1600 point, you will get a bag. So basically you can see some more things here like problem of the day. If you're solving for 1 day, you will get 1 point. And if you're solving for consecutive 8 days, you will get additional 8 points here. And then also here you can see GFG weekly coding contest. If you get the first rank, you will get 700 gig points. For second rank, you will get 400 gig points. For third rank, you will get 200 gig points. And for each contest, if you rank in top 50, you will get 50 points. Then for participation you will get 2 points, and if you found like plagiarized or something, you will not get any points. And if you are in a monthly leaderboard, you will get additionally 50 gig points. So after collecting all these points, you can actually see all these rewards, right? You can actually claim it. You just need to click on redeem geek bits here and you will have to actually fill in the details and place the order, so you will get the confirmation to your mobile number or to your email. So this is the information I just wanted to share with you. You will have a chance to get rewards and also a chance to practice the coding questions every day. So we'll post more videos like this. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends, and I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.